In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Canva. Let's get started by opening your design in the Canva editor. Once your design is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different options like elements, uploads, and so on. Find and click on the option labeled text. As soon as you click it, a text panel will open on the left side. At the top of this text panel, you'll see an option that says add a text box. If you click that, Canva will immediately place a new text box right onto your design. This is a quick way to drop in some text wherever you need it, and you can move it around afterward. Below that, you'll also notice some default text styles such as heading, subheading, and body text. These are helpful if you want a text box that already has a basic size and style set up for you. For example, you might use a heading for your main title, a subheading for smaller titles, and body text for your main paragraphs. When you click any of these options, that style will be added directly to your design as a new text box. Once your text box is on the canvas, it's time to customize what it says. Click on the text box you just added. It may contain some placeholder text at first. Simply highlight that placeholder text and start typing whatever you want to display. This could be a title, a caption, or any information you want to show. When the text box is selected, look toward the toolbar that appears along the top of the editor. This toolbar gives you all the controls you need to style your text. You can change the font style to something that matches your brand or design. You can adjust the font size so your text is larger for headings or smaller for detailed information. You can change the color of the text to help it stand out or fit your color scheme. You'll also see options to make your text bold, italic, underlined, or even strike through. There are controls to switch between uppercase and lowercase, adjust alignment to left, center, or right, and turn your text into a list if you need bullet style information. You can open advanced settings to fine-tune spacing, apply blur, add special effects, and even animate your text to make your design more dynamic. And that's how you add and edit a text box in Canva.